In this video, I'm going to show you how to add, remove, sign out, or change YouTube accounts on any Google TV, such as Google Chromecast, TCL, Hisense, or Xiaomi Google TVs. So let's begin. So from the YouTube app, we need to open the side panel and go all the way up to our account. And from here, you can either switch accounts or log out of your account by selecting sign out. Then confirm again, and you'll be logged out of your YouTube account on your Google TV. Now if you want to change or add an account, just tap on add account and then select add account again and sign in using your another Google account. This will also add the account to your Google TV. So you need to go through all these prompts you see on your screen, and now your new account is successfully set up. Now you can view all your accounts by going to the same place and selecting switch accounts. And if you want to permanently remove this account from your Google TV, go to manage accounts, select the account you want to remove, go to the right and all the way down to remove, select it and press remove again. And just like that, our account is now removed. So that's how you can sign out, add, remove, or change your YouTube accounts on any Google TV. If you found this helpful, make sure to let us know and I'll see you in the next one.